How to create NGL link for TikTok profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your NGL app and then tap on copy link. Now come back and then head over to your TikTok. Open it up and go to your profile in the bottom right corner and then tap on edit. Now, unfortunately, you can see that there is no link option, so you'll need to put in the link in your bio. So tap on it and then long press and then hit paste and then hit save. Now you can see that the link has been pasted in your TikTok profile. However, people will need to copy this link, and if you want to put in a clickable link, you'll need to have more than 1,000 followers. That's why for now, you can only create NGL link that is not clickable. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.